School of Healthcare at the University of Leeds. And I've been researching into how we can give people better information about their medicines for many decades now. So this is about how we did that research in this building, but then we set up a company in order to actually put that research into practice. And so hence Luto Research was formed. Now Luto stands for Leeds University Testing Organisation. So we worked for lots of people, people who work for pharma companies, we work with charities, we work with healthcare systems, and we look at their information and we help them to make it better. And we do that by getting real people, members of the public, to look at that information and then tell us how they can make it better. So we're now in Leeds Innovation Centre, which is just 5 minutes walk from the School of Healthcare on the edge of the university campus, and we're in the offices of Luto Research. So this is where we do the testing of the information materials. Now, when we first started, these were mostly hard copy materials, but now increasingly we're looking at digital materials. People most commonly now found their information about medicines and health through the internet. And so whenever we're testing any information now, we will sit them in front of a computer and get them to go through various tasks to find out whether they can find and understand the information that they need to get them through the healthcare process effectively. One of the most common questions we get is, where do you find your participants? Who comes to do the testing of these information materials? Well, it's the ordinary people of Leeds, the everyday people, the man and woman in the street. We started off by advertising in local newspapers and going to mother and toddler groups or bowling clubs, that sort of thing. But we very soon found that it snowballed, and once somebody had been in to do a test for us, they would tell their friends and relatives and they would come in. And so we've got that sort of process going. So we've got people from all over West Yorkshire who come in here and they find it really helpful. They like to be able to help us to make health information materials better so that everybody else can benefit. So when we started Luto in 2004, there was myself and my two academic colleagues, Peter Knapp and Mark Gibson, and we had one employee, Susanna Barnes, who had just graduated from the School of Psychology here. We've now got 15 staff, and over the years we've had many staff who have graduated from the university and simply taken the short walk from the university to the Luto Research offices. So that's a real benefit for the company, that we've got this pool of talent graduating all the time from the university whom we can take on as employees and give them some really good first job experience.